plants inspired people to invent Velcro? Boing, boing. Here we go. Well, I'm Dr. Jeff, and today we'll learn about pollination and seed dispersal. Let's explore. Whee! Today, we'll learn that animals can help plants move pollen around, and that wind, water, and animals help plants move their seeds.
3, 2, wonder! Yeah! 3, 2, wonder! Hey! Let's go! 3, 2, wonder!
Hey, Dr. Jeff. What are you doing?
Hi, Dr. Jeff.
Hey, Elijah. Hey, Olivia. I'm just taking care of my plant, Leaf Erikson. And you probably remember its parent, Twiggy.
Wait, so that plant is that plant's parent? How does that work?
I'm glad you asked. Plants are today's topic. For a plant to make a new plant, it has to move a special powder called pollen from inside its flower to the flower of another plant. Once that happens, the plant grows fruit, which has seeds inside. Those seeds can grow into a new plant.
But a plant can't move. How does it move its pollen and seeds?
Yeah, it's not like plants have legs, because that would be freaky.
You're right. So to move their pollen, plants get help from the wind and animals.
Really? I can see how wind can blow this pollen, but how do animals help?
To find out how pollen moves around, let's go into our imagination. Follow me. Ready? Here we go. In 3, 2, 1.
Pretty, but
Gesundheit.
something in our imagination is making me sneeze.
I think I might know what's causing that. Look over here.
It looks like an ordinary flower. I don't see what it's making Elijah
Gesundheit.
sneeze.
Take a look inside this flower.
What are all those brown dots inside the flower?
That's pollen. Pollen is the powdery substance that is needed for plants to make seeds. Plants need to move this pollen from one plant to another plant in order to make more plants.
But how do plants move their pollen?
Great question. Let's demonstrate together. We just put a little bit of pollen on our finger like this. And now we move this pollen to another plant over here. Now we just take the pollen and put it right here. Congratulations! We are now pollinators!
But what are pollinators?
Pollinators are animals that move pollen from one flower to another. Some pollinators are birds, butterflies, and even bees. When bees land on a flower to drink nectar, pollen sticks to their bodies. When the bee visits the next flower, that pollen can rub off, transferring pollen from one plant to another.
Wow, so it's like plants and animals help each other.
Yeah, plants give the animals nectar to drink, and the animals help move their pollen.
That's exactly right. But did you know that animals also help plants move their seeds?
Animals sure are helpful, huh?
Definitely. To learn how animals move seeds, let's go back to the lab.
Hold on. Why do seeds need to be moved? Can't they just drop into the dirt and grow?
If seeds fall under another plant, they might not get enough sunlight or water because other plants already there are blocking them. So plants need help moving their seeds. This is called seed dispersal. One way seed dispersal happens is when animals eat fruit with seeds in it.
How would a seed be able to grow if an animal eats it?
Let's take a look inside this fruit. This apple has seeds inside. Here you go. Touch the apple seed. It has a special coating on it that lets them pass right through an animal when it eats it.
I get it. First, an animal, like a bear or a bird, eats the fruit, then it moves somewhere else, carrying the seeds in its belly.
And then the animal poops the seeds out into a new area.
So, the vegetables I ate today started in a pile of poop?
Some of them did. Animal poop is actually a great fertilizer, which is something that helps plants grow.
Wow! So all plants rely on animals to move their seeds.
Many plants do, but some plants have other ways. Let's demonstrate. Some plants have seeds that look a lot like Velcro.
Whoa! They have tiny hooks that stick to the fur of animals.
Let's say Olivia is a seed, and this wall behind us is a furry animal. The seed gets stuck to the fur because of the special hooks on the surface of the seed.
That animal then moves somewhere else, and the seed falls off where the new plant grows.
What?
Plants also use wind to move seeds, like a dandelion.
Or they can use water, like a coconut that floats far away to bring seeds to an island.
Or my favorite, expulsion.
What's expulsion?
It's when some seeds build up pressure inside, and then they burst. The seeds are launched away from the plant, landing somewhere else.
Plants can explode? Who cares if they can grow on a pile of poop? Plants are awesome.
And now that you know about pollen and seeds, it's time to do it yourself.
Today, we're going to study seed dispersal by making a model of a maple seed.
Maple seeds fall off maple trees and spin like a helicopter towards the ground.
Wind or an animal might help take it to the perfect spot of soil where it can grow into a giant maple tree.
To make a model of a maple seed, you're going to need some printer paper, a pair of safety scissors, a pencil, and a paper clip.
Start by folding the paper in half like this.
Now fold it in half the other way. Then, with the help of an adult, cut along the lines.
Cut out one rectangle so you have a small piece of paper. Next, draw two cutting lines so we can make a piece of paper shaped like the letter T.
Then, cut along the lines.
Next, snip the middle of the T right here.
Now it's time to fold. Fold each flap over like this. On the top side, fold one piece down in one direction and the other piece down in the opposite direction. Raise them gently until they're straight like propellers.
Then, fold over this part of the T twice and attach the paper clip.
And now it's time to test our model maple seeds. Awesome!
Experiment with heavier paper clips and different sized paper to see which of your seeds can glide the longest and move the farthest away. Try it yourself.
Animals help plants to move, pollen around. Wind, water, and animals help plants move their seeds. That's how we have pollination and seed dispersal. That's how we have pollination and seed dispersal. The seed sticks to the animal's fur as they move around. Rains, winds, and you and me help plants move their seeds. That's how we have pollination and seed dispersal.
you.
Today, we learned that animals help plants to move pollen around.
Wind, water, and animals also help plants move their seeds.
And now you know. Until next time, I'm Dr. Jeff.
I'm Elijah.
I'm Olivia.
And remember, always question, always wonder.